Alright, so in the previous tutorial, we created our basic chatbot, and in this tutorial, before moving forward, let's dive into what is an AI agent. Alright, so this is going to be a little bit of theoretical video. I'm going to share in some interesting information with you. So let's move forward now and check out what is exactly an AI agent. So in a basic chatbot, the flow looks like something like this. So we have an input prompt, which is kind of instruction to the LLM or AI along with the user input, and we give this prompt plus user input to the LLM. All right. So LLM is large language model, which acts like a brain to our AI chatbot, and it processes the prompt plus human input and the given context, and it generates a response according to it. All right, so this is a basic chatbot architecture or flow that we have. In the case of an AI agent, a new path is added, which is LLM can interact with few things to generate the desired response. All right, so it can be anything. For example, if you have a function and if you ask some question to the AI, then it can process these functions to generate the output and give the semantically correct response. All right, so this can be saving the data, saving the memory, or getting the information, retrieving the information, or something different that is based on your architecture or your needs. All right, and in the agent's case, this can be multiple types of tools or functionalities an LLM can access based on what the input is given. All right, for example, in an AI agent, if the email address is given in the response, then invoke this tool to send the email to a particular person. If a phone number is given, then call a person. For example, if a user is asking for weather information, then look for the current weather information based on location and generate the response. All right. So there can be multiple tools for the LLM, and these tools can be actually used to create an AI agent. All right. So let's move forward and look into what are the key components of an AI agent. So there are three different things that summarizes the actions of an AI agent. First is perception, which is input processing. So AI agents can gather and process data based on text, images, audio, and different kinds of inputs from the environment, and then it can start reasoning or decision making based on these gathered inputs. All right, and after the reasoning or decision making, it generates the output or creates an execution based on the desired goals. All right, so these are the three key components of an AI agent, and for these three things to happen, an AI can learn from the past interactions and improve the performance based on the memory and provided experience. All right, so also AI agents are specifically goal driven. Chatbots are kind of chat interfaces, but AI agents are more goal driven, and they optimize the actions to meet the objectives that are predefined when you create the architecture of an agent. All right, so what kind of the AI agents are there? So these are the sample types of AI agents. First one is simple reflex agents. These are the basic programmatic pre-programmed AI agents based on the rules, and they are purely reactive without any memory or learning capacities. All right. The next one is model-based reflex agents, where they have a memory to store environmental information, and they can take actions or generate outputs based on the previous interactions with them. The third one is goal-based agents, and these are the agents that we are going to use. So these use the memory and predefined goals to fast actions in the sequence, adjusting their behavior to specific outcomes. All right. And the fourth one are advanced learning agents that can autonomously learn from their environment and past interactions and continuously improve the performance over time. So these are really advanced kinds of agents, and in this tutorial we will pay a focus on goal-based agents. All right. So in the case of Food Sprint AI agent, what we are going to do is we are going to have multiple kinds of tools available to the AI, so that based on the input, user input, it can perform some actions and generate the response. For example, our LLM should have a memory to remember the past interactions. Then it can have a information processing, whether user has some specific word in the message, or if AI needs some more information, then AI can ask for the specific information. Then we have the rich results based on the user's query, and then we want to save the data of our chat history and send the notification emails if someone orders the food from our Food Sprint AI. All right. So this is the kind of architecture that we are going to build, and I hope you are excited as well. I'm excited as well. So let's move forward and meet in the next video so that we will start building our AI agent.